Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some money using Google Option Rewards. All you need to do is basically complete some surveys that Google sends you, just like this one here. Basically it asks you a couple of questions, you select the answer. Some are very easy, so you get the money for that one, but some are actually quite long and you get more money for those. So this one actually is a bit longer and it asks multiple questions, and it'll even ask you, which image do you prefer in terms of the research results, and you just got to give your answer. You can make it up if you want to, but at the end of the day you can make some money and you basically get some Google Play credits from completing the surveys. So check it out, just do a search on Google Play for Google Opinion Rewards and you basically get credits so that you can purchase stuff.